where Tokyo locals go when they skip Shibuya crowds. Let's be honest, Shibuya is iconic, it's chaotic. And yes, that crosswalk is on everyone's bucket list. But locals? They love Tokyo too much to stay stuck in it. When they need a break from the flashing lights and photo lines, they drift toward calm corners, Daikanyama, Nakameguro, or Ebisu, just one stop away, but it feels like a completely different city. In Daikanyama, cafes serve matcha lattes under ivy-covered balconies. Nakameguro has canals lined with cherry trees and little vintage bookstores. And Ebisu? It's where the after-work crowd goes to sip sake quietly instead of shouting over karaoke machines. Even within Shibuya, the locals have tricks. They head to Shibuya Sky, the rooftop observatory above all the madness. Or they slip into Miyashita Park, grab a bento, and watch skateboarders with Mount Fuji faintly glowing in the distance. That's the real Tokyo, the balance between chaos and calm, neon and nostalgia. So next time you visit, cross the scramble once for the photo, then cross out of it for peace. Traveling with Beatris, where we explore Tokyo like locals, one quiet corner at a time.